Hi guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can deactivate your Apple ID. So in order to do that, all you have to do is open your browser. You can choose any browser. I'm going to be choosing Safari over here. Open it and all you need to do is go to this website over here, privacy.apple.com, and once you go there, all you need to do is sign in. As you can see, I've already signed in. Then you'll be shown this page. Just scroll down till you find temporarily deactivate your account. You can tap on request to deactivate your account, and then you would be able to deactivate your Apple ID. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.